Dumako naman tayo sa different police organization sa Chapter 7 po. Ang una po ay ang United Nations. What is United Nation? Ano nga ba ang United Nation? United Nation is an international organization responsible for ensuring peace, security, and cooperation between world nations, developing friendly relation among nations, and promoting social progress, better living standard, and human rights. It is an organization of various nations in the world. So, ang United Nations po ay, ito po ay isang international organization, international in the way that maraming bansa ang nakalahok dito. This organization is responsible for ensuring peace, security, and cooperation between world and nations. At ang United Nations po ay nagawa upang magkaroon ng friendly relations among nations and promoting social progress, better living standard, and human rights. Yan po. At when and where UN started and who created the UNO? Kailan nga ba nagsimula ang United Nations at sino ang naggumawa sa United Nations? So, it is founded on 24 October 1945 in San Francisco, California, United States. Nag-start po ang United Nations noong October 24, 1945 sa San Francisco, California, United States. At ang United Nations po ay kinoined naman ni Franklin D. Roosevelt and Winston Churchill. Si Franklin D. Roosevelt po ay isang dating presidente ng United States at si Winston Churchill ay dati ding Prime Minister ng British. How it started? Paano nga ba nagkaroon ng United Nations na organization? Ito po. As World War II was about to end in 1945, nations were ruins and the world wanted peace. Representatives of 50 countries gathered at the UN Conference on International Organization in San Francisco, California from April 24 to June 26, 1945. 50 pa lang ang representative dito noon kasi hindi pa nakasali yung ibang bansa. For the next 2 months, they proceed to draft and then sign the UN Charter, which created a new international organization. The UN, which it was hoped would prevent another world war like World War II. Na-create po ang United Nations Organization upang ma-prevent po nito ang parang yung nangyaring sa World War II. Parang mawala na yung mga war ganun po. Para maiwasan ang war between nations. Next po. Function of the United Nations. Number 1 po is to maintain peace and security for all its members, developing friendly relation among nations. Para po, ang functions po nito ay para maintain ang peace and security na miyembro ng United Nations at magkaroon ng friendly relations among nations. Kaya nga po, para ma-prevent ang paparating na World War III, ganun po. At it aims to protect human rights and provide humanitarian assistance when needed. Pinoprotektahan din nito ang karapatang pantao ng mga member na kasali dito sa organisasyon na to and provide humanitarian assistance when needed. At naglalayong matulungan din ang anumang member na kasali sa United Nations. Yun po. Branches of the United Nations and their function. So ngayon naman po is pumunta tayo sa branches of United Nations and their function. Number 1, United Nations General Assembly. Ang General Assembly po ng United Nations, ito yung tinatawag nila na meeting. Pag sinabi nila na meron silang General Assembly, pinapatawag nila lahat ng mga rep, members nito na representative para mag-usap-usap kung ano ang dapat gawin. Halimbawa na lang kung may nangyaring war between Ukraine and Russia. Dahil sa war, nagkaroon ng General Assembly. This is the main decision-making and representative assembly in the UN through its policies and recommendations. It is composed of all member states. It is headed by a president elected from the member states and meets from September to December. Ang General Assembly ay nagaganap tuwing September to December. At ang functions of General Assembly naman ay number 1 is deliberative, initiating studies and making recommendation for development of international law. International law is yung lahat ng bansa ay sumusunod sa mga batas. Second is supervisory, receiving and considering annual and special reports from other organs. Third, financial, approval and apportionment of budget. Apportionment is yung paghati-hati ng mga budget. Elective, election of non-permanent members of Security Council. Sa General Assembly is nag-elect sila ng mga non-permanent members. At sa constituent, admission of member and the amendment of charter. So, next. Second branches is the United Nations Security Council. United Nations Security Council is another branch in the organization of the UN and it is the most powerful of all branches. Ito daw yung most powerful of all branches ng United Nations. So ang role naman ng Security Council ay una is preventive action. In preventive action, it consists of provisional measure to prevent a conflict from worsening and may involve the deployment of peacekeeping and observer missions. Ibig sabihin, in order to avoid further conflict, pwede pong preventive action po mag-deploy yung United Nations Security Council. At sa enforcement action, ito yung pagde-deploy ng mga air, sea, and land forces. Tinatawag itong enforcement action. At United Security Council, it consists of 15 members. The General Assembly elects 10 to 2-year terms. The other is the permanent members. Ang nag-e-elect po ng 10 non-permanent members at 2-year terms. At yung 5 naman po is yung 5 permanent members, which is the China, France, Russia, United Kingdom, and United States. Pag napansin po natin is ito yung mga bansang malalakas. Ang third branches naman po yung ng United Nations is the International Court of Justice or ICJ. Tinatawag din itong World Court. It is located in Hague, Netherlands. This branch is responsible for the judicial matters of the United Nations. Dito dinadala yung mga complaints ng mga countries. For example na lamang is sa Philippines and China, sa West Philippine Sea. Yung complaint about doon is dinadala sa International Court of Justice. At yung mga functions din nito is to settle in accordance with international law legal disputes submitted by states and to give advisory opinions and legal questions referred it by the authorized United Nations organs and specialized agencies. So basta ang tatandaan lang natin is yung International Court of Justice is lahat ng mga problems ng mga countries ay dito dinadala at inaayos sa International Court of Justice. Number 4 branches naman is Economic and Social Council or ECOSOC. So, itong ECOSOC naman po ay sila ang namamahala sa policies ng pakikipag-trade kasi ang focus nila ay relasyon ng mga countries that are involved in the economic trading. Ibig sabihin sa pagpapalago ng bansa, kailangan po nating makipag-ugnayan at makipag-trades between countries. The council was designed to be the United Nations main venue for the discussion of international economic and social issues. At ECOSOC conducts studies, formulates resolutions and recommendations. Nagkakandak po ang ECOSOC ng mga studies, formulates resolution at recommendations. At meron naman pong 54 members ang Economic and Social Council at yung ine-elect po kapag mayroong General Assembly at may 3-year terms. 3-year terms. Parang nag-voting po sila sa General Assembly ng members nito. Next is Secretariat. The branch of United Nations headed by the Secretary General. Its main responsibility is providing studies, information, and other data when needed by the United Nations for the further meeting. The Secretariat administers and coordinates the activities of the United Nations. Ito po yung mga functions ng Secretariat. Prepare the session of the United Nations bodies in terms of organization. Edits a large number of reports and studies upon which decision of the United Nations bodies to be based. Prepare draft text of resolution and organize the implementation of decision. Documents the work of United Nations. Organize interpreters and translate documents into all United official language. Ang Secretariat po ay papansin po natin na marami din itong ginagawa.